Hi everyone, hope you are all doing good. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make infinity chain beaded bracelet. It is very easy to remove and it is very easy to wear with this clasp. Stay with me to watch out how I made this bracelet with stainless steel wire. To make this bracelet, you will need 20 gauge stainless steel wire. Here I have used brand name called Craft wire. And then you need some beads and ruler. And for tool wise, you need 6-step bead making plier and chain nose plier and flush cutter. This stainless steel wire is dead soft. It has little temper than other wire like copper wire or silver wire. It is very hard when you make intricate designs while you wrapping or bending the wire or you flush cut the wire. To make the infinity link, you have to cut the wire for about 3 centimeter. Cut the 3 centimeter length wire for 6 times like this. Flush cut the edge of the wire every time to get the nice smooth edge. Now take the 3 centimeter wire to form a infinity loop. For that you need 6-step bead making plier and you see step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I am using 3-step plier to make an infinity loop. Place the wire and rotate your wrist and you will see it is forming like P shape. Same like that on the opposite side, rotate the wire to form an infinity like this. There is some small gap. To close that gap, I am taking the chain nose plier and squish the wire by touching it very closely. Repeat the same process for 6 times. If you find this video helpful, please do like this video, write down your comment below and subscribe to my channel. I made all the links ready and the next process is hammering. You will need chasing hammer and steel bench block. By hammering, the wire becomes more hard and it gives more strength to the wire. To hammer it, I am using the one side, that is the edge of the hammer, to flatten the wire. it leaves a gap once the hammering is done. So we will be taking the chain nose plier to squish the wire to close that gap. You can see the difference between hammered and not hammered one. The hammered one gives the flattened and shiny look. When you hammer it, it leaves you the mark on the wire, so you can turn and you can use it that for the bracelet. Next we can make the beaded wire wrapping link. I'm using Amazonite roundel 4mm bead and I'm taking 22 gauge stainless steel wire. I'm measuring 6 centimeter length and cut that wire. Leave an 1 inch or 1.5 inch of wire and then place the tip of the round nose plier and push the wire away from you. Then bend the wire towards you, rotate the plier and bend the wire across other side. Now take the chain nose plier, hold the loop firmly and grab that short wire with the round nose plier and wrap it for 2 times. Let's make a clasp. I am measuring the 20 gauge wire for 8 cm length and cut the wire. Slightly bend the one side of the wire and squish it nicely with the chain nose plier, and then place it against the veil making plier on the step 5 and bend the wire to form a shape like this. Now slightly bend the wire to form a straight line like this. Now bend the wire away from you and then take the veil making plier to form a loop using step 2. Because of stainless steel wire, it is little hard to bend the wire. If you are a beginner, I would recommend to use copper wire or other silver wire, which is dead soft, not the stainless steel wire. Now slide our bracelet and then wrap the wire for 4 times. Tuck the wire and make sure the wire is not poking out. Hammer the upper side of the clasp to make sure it is holding strong enough, and you can also gently hammer it on the loop side. We done with our bracelet. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to give thumbs up and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.